In this video, we will cover installation of Elasticsearch. What is Elasticsearch? It is a distributed open source search and analytical engine for all type of data including textual, numerical, geospatial, structure and unstructured. What is Elasticsearch used for? The speed and scalability of Elasticsearch and its ability to index many type of content mean that it can be used for n number of use cases. Use cases can be application search, website search, enterprise search, logging and log analytics, infrastructure metrics and container monitoring, application performance monitoring, geospatial data analysis and visualization, security analyst and business analyst. So let's check installation of Elasticsearch. I just switch to my VM machine and go for a website elastic.co/downloads. Here you will find many applications. One of them is Elasticsearch. Click on download. Here you find many variants of Elasticsearch where it's a Windows, a Mac OS, Linux, Debian, RPM for Red Hat and MS Beta. So we will install a Windows one. Click on Windows and downloading will be started. I have already downloaded and extracted a file. So we will be cover Elasticsearch 7.6.2. Just go to a bin folder, copy this path and open command prompt. So type cmd, so command prompt will open. Just go for run as an administrator. So now just navigate the path where you have downloaded the folder. And you'll find elasticsearch.bat. Enter. And now the Elasticsearch will start installing. So our installation is completed. Let's check whether Elastic server is up and running. Go to the new tab and go for 127.0.0.1:9200. Here 9200 port is open and using for Elasticsearch.